Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can sell your art in Roblox's Starving Artist to make some Robux. So let's jump into it. To start with, you first want to join the server and you want to just find an unclaimed table. So you just want to run around until you see one that's unclaimed, and here you go. So what you want to do is come up to the booth and then click E, and from here it will be turned into your booth. Now what you want to do is just sit down, so go next to the seat and you'll be taken to this page here. And now you basically want to draw some artwork. So for the sake of the video I'm just going to do a smiley face like this. However, there's tons of different things we can do with this. We can make it yellow if we want, so let's just fill this background as yellow. And there you go, that's my artwork. So once you've created your art and you're happy with it, you just want to go ahead and click next. And then you just want to name your art at the top. So happy face, I will call this. And then once you're done, you can click finish. So once that's done, you can just jump to get out of the seat. So once we've done that, we're now ready for the next step. So the next step involves going to the Roblox website. So head over there and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so this is the part we want to go to. We want to go to the dashboard and then over to our creations. So we want to make sure we are in the creator tab here in order to progress further with the tutorial. So once you've clicked on creations, you should be able to see your place here. Everyone has their own place, so when you see yours, just go ahead and click on it. And then from here on the left hand side, we want to look for associated items, which is right here. So go ahead and click on that. And then there's a few options at the top here, but we want to select passes. And then from here, we just want to create a new pass. So select create a pass. So now what you want to do is just first choose a photo for your pass. So browse your computer and choose any photo you like. I've just chosen this one for the sake of the video. And then in the name, we just want to name it something. And so I'm just going to call mine painting since we're selling art. And you can add a description if you want, but it is not necessary. So once you've done that and you're happy with everything, go ahead and click create pass. And now we can see that it has actually been created. So next up, we want to click on the pass that you just made. And now on the left hand side, instead of being on basic settings, you want to go over to sales. So click on that. And here's where we can actually figure out how much we're going to charge for our painting. So to start with, you first want to list the item for sale by toggling this switch until it turns blue. And then next up, you want to put the price. So you might be tempted to do 1 because you think a lot of people would do that. But as you can see here, creator earnings, you only earn 70% of what you sell because Roblox has to make some. And if I did actually have this listed for 1, I would get 0 Robux as Roblox need to take their fee. So I'd recommend doing at least 2. However, I'm just going to do 7 so we can get a better amount. And as you can see here, when it sells, I'll get 4 Robux. So when you're ready and happy with the price that price that you want to charge, go ahead and click Save Changes. And then next up, you just want to go over to the URL and you just want to copy this second number. The reason I say second is because there's also a number here after experiences. However, you want to look where it says passes, and then just after that, there'll be a number. So copy this number here. And then after you've copied that number and you've made sure you got it right, we can head back into Roblox. Okay, so we're back in the game, and what we want to do is head over to one of our canvases and hold down E to add your art. Okay, so once we're ready to actually sell our art, we want to come over to a canvas and just hold down E. Now you want to choose the art that you just created earlier, so in my case it's this one. And then with that Game Pass ID that you just saved, you just want to go down here where it says enter Game Pass ID and just click Ctrl V. And then as you see, the selected price is 7 Robux. And then if you have a frame effect or a special frame, you can choose that. But if not, you can just go ahead and click done. And as you can see, it's now up for sale for 7 Robux. So hopefully someone comes along and buys this and I'll profit 4 Robux for this painting. So I hope you found this video helpful and hope you successfully managed to list your art and also sell it and make yourself a good amount of Robux, which you can then use in the marketplace for whatever you want, really. So if you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say that it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.